Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access the hidden internet browser on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So the internet browser on the PlayStation 5 is completely hidden. How can you go ahead and access this at any point in time that you want? Now, you may have watched some other videos on YouTube about how to access this, and it takes you a really long time to go ahead and do it. Well, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way and how to go ahead and get it really quickly on your PlayStation 5. What I'm going to do is press the PlayStation button and then go down to Game Base. Now select this and choose a friend or even a second account to go ahead and message. So I'm going to pick someone I do not message ever. So here is my second account that I made, Action 6. So I have set them as a favorite. So you will want to set them as a favorite. So go to their name and then go to messages and then go to view message. Now under here, type in www.google.com. Then go over to more on the right hand side of the screen and add them to favorites. So I'm going to add them as my favorite. Now, when I back out and I go to Game Base, they will always be under recent parties. So I can always see them at the top of my list. Then I select their name, go down to messages, view message, and I can easily access their name. Then I can go to google.com and select this, and it's going to open google.com. And unfortunately, you can't go to like the google.com area, the address bar, to go ahead and type in a website. What you need to do is you have to type everything that you want to search for into google.com. Then I can type in whatever website I want. So my favorite website to get my game news from is N4G. I'm going to go to n4g.com. Now, I noticed the internet browser on here, it's kind of like the PlayStation 4 where it's kind of chunky and slow loading sometimes. If I go up and down the list really fast, you can see it doesn't smoothly load everything. I can play YouTube videos in here, and sometimes it works okay. So let's go ahead and click on one of these videos and just see how it plays in YouTube real quick. So YouTube is playing. I can skip ahead a little bit. So this is GoldenEye. So that does play and work. So there is no other options in here. I can go forward, zoom in, page information, reload, back, close. Cool thing is I can pin this to the side. So let's say I got like, let's say I have a tutorial guide on the game I'm playing. I can go ahead and put it to the side right here, and then I can switch back to my game, whatever game I'm playing. So let's launch Modern Warfare and play this. I can have that tutorial on the right hand side of the screen while I'm playing my main game. To exit this, press the PlayStation button, and then you'll be able to see the internet browser as like one of these applications on here. It won't stay, but you can press options on it, and you can exit pin to side. Now on the home screen, if you go over to settings and then go down to system, you can go ahead and find some internet browser settings. So if we go to web browser here, you can allow cookies, enable JavaScript, delete cookies. If you're going to a website that you don't want logged or tracked, you can clear the website data right here. And then you can prevent cross-site tracking by enabling this option. So unfortunately, there is no way to go ahead and just pin the application to your games or your media section under here. You have to go back to that person's name every time you want to go ahead and access this. And boom, I can access google.com at any point in time. So this really is the quickest and easiest way to access the internet browser on your PlayStation 5. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.